during the day.
Yeah, we're gonna ride the blue line during the day. We'll take it all the way to Bowdoin?
Next stop, Revere Beach. No smoking, please.
Sorry for the shakes, I'm just getting my clothes off, but the shaking should stop in a second.
Entering Revere Beach. The doors will open on the right side of the train.
Like, we literally just bolted for it. But thankfully the operator was nice to let us in.
Yeah. I was trying to do a quick in and out.
Yeah.
This place I saw.
Revere Beach. Bus connection.
Always something.
Please watch
Right.
your step while exiting the
Oh, of
train.
course.
Please take your personal belongings.
Just of course the display is not working the way it should be.
By Mr. Siemens.
Next stop, Beach Bar.
There you go, folks.
Yeah.
There's our Wonderland curse of the day. Focus, camera. Oh, sorry, sir.
Just me talking.
Beach mod.
Beach Line. Bus connection. Federal law requires priority seats be available.
Oh yeah, it's interesting because I used to film my phone, but it kept complaining of overheating, so I needed like a real camera. But my goodness, it's such a nice upgrade. Really, that long? Wow. Well, at least you saw one again now. Plus, it's nice. You got to actually create memories with it, you know.
Nice because it's like, yeah, this is a 260 I've got like 10,000 photos on my iPad.
Oh, exactly. Yeah.
Entering Suffolk Downs.
Probably
The
just as
doors
many on
will
my
open
phone,
the right
too.
side of the train.
Phones are capable of.
Oh yeah, they're still amazing.
Yeah, it's insane though nowadays.
Just a different experience, really.
Even the quality of the lighting is good.
Suffolk Downs. Please take your personal belongings.
There's the yard. Nothing's in the yard at the moment. But we finally got to see that. So because all the rides we've done on this channel of this line are at night.
Have fun.
Thank you. Have a good one. This has probably been the most normal Wonderland experience we've had so far.
So far. So I don't think you want to speak too
Yeah, I probably shouldn't jinx it.
Here we go.
Next stop, Wood Island.
Oh, there's a pretty view right there. You see Logan Airport out there. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Wood Island, bus connections. Please take your personal belongings with you when you exit.
There's Logan. Some Delta planes over there. See, yeah, United has a technical operations thing here because they're not a hub here. Closest hub is Newark. Too many people are all getting on here, so I'm not going to film the changeover, but thankfully we did get some changeover clips here for you guys the other day.
25 minutes each way.
Yeah, this is a very short line.
Very quick.
Yep.
Entering Maverick Station, doors open on the left. Maverick Station.
Now we're into the fun part.
Yep, the tunnel. After the silly turn, of course.
Yeah. Which obviously that design is an original from the trolleys.
Obviously, of course.
Next stop, Aquarium.
nimugoroba tujya gusangira nabo bashuti batwegereje cyane rero bameze nka pare na pare.
Aquarium, bus connection and water transportation. Federal law requires priority seats be available for seniors and or persons with disability.
urumva ni muri trene muri tujura ngeze Aquarium.
Next stop, State Street, change for Orange Line. Entering State Street. The doors will open on the right side of the train.
probably gonna be government center. We're gonna have more people get off. And this.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
This platform is already getting crowded.
Next stop, Government Center. Change to the green line.
That is 700.
Yep.
Entering Government Center. The doors will open on the left side of the train.
Forward, so we'll be opening on this side. You see, look how it almost has like a trolley. It does have the trolley layout.
It does, yeah.
So I'm gonna anticipate a lot of people getting off here. So
Yeah.
Government Center. Change here to the green line. Please watch your step while exiting the train. Thank you for not smoking.
everyone's going to the green.
Yeah, like not a lot of people get out of Bowdoin.
And that will pretty much be a 20-minute trip. Not bad.
Not bad at all. And this operator wasted no time.
Next and last stop for this train is Bowdoin.
See how sharp the turn is.
Oh yeah, you can really see it.
Entering Bowdoin. The doors will open on the left side of the train.
Alright, we made it.
We did it.
Yeah. Did the full thing. Great ride, honestly. Alright, well, that'll be it.